On to the next one is the study that we found quite interesting, right? This is the Cigna's healthcare vitality study. Cigna, as you all know, is a big health insurer here in the Middle East as well and globally. Now, they conducted this global survey where they, I think, asked about 10,000 respondents about various aspects of life. So it was just not physical health or mental health, it was just a holistic outlook to vitality itself. So there are aspects around your social life, your occupational, financial, intellectual, physical, spiritual, emotional, environmental. So about 8 aspects of well-being, and they have scored the respondents and scored it by country wise. And apparently UAE and Saudi have one of the highest vitality scores. So, that what that means, Ranjit, is that we have a great work-life balance. Apparently, we have a great social lives. We are open to learning new things versus a couple of the global benchmarks.
That's very interesting. I always imagine that folks in the UAE are working long hours and a substantial part of that is spent in traffic. But compared to some regions in Asia, this may be actually on the brighter side. Like you can reach anywhere in about 20, 30 minutes unless you're traveling from Dubai to Sharjah or something like that. Yeah, I think it's interesting and happy to see that Cigna, which has always been, or in the last 2-3 years, they've been focused on wellness. So I think these kind of scores make a lot of sense. These kind of reports make a lot of sense. And good to see that they're looking at multiple aspects of well-being, not just one or two.
Yeah,
all in all,
absolutely. Yeah. I'm also assuming when you have insights like these, where vitality is also so important from all aspects and just not physical, which is typically how it is looked at, that sort of insights gets translated into the product coverage as well. So your healthcare product coverage is not hopefully limited to just a certain aspects of physical well-being itself, and it starts to take in various aspects of well-being and it gets covered as part of your healthcare program itself. But yeah, very interesting report to read.
Yeah, I think on that note, it'll be very interesting to see what is the sort of coverage they give for mental health consultations, things like that. And since they mentioned financial well-being, wonder if this is a similar play like we just discussed about with Haya. Is it something to do with helping you manage your finances and stuff like that? Will they as a result of this survey, will they do something with it? Is the question that probably you are also asking there, right?
Yeah, exactly. What can you do with this insights now is something that we are keen to know. So potentially we need to reach out to Cigna folks and get them on the podcast.
Yeah, sure.